Need high-quality wire forms, spring forms, and metal stamp parts?
Let Crawford Manufacturing become your new manufacturer for custom stamped and wire components, all made to your specs on our slide forming and spring forming machines. Our precision parts are manufactured and shipped to you fast.
Made right here in the USA.
Hi, I'm Mary Miller from Crawford Manufacturing. Our bread and butter is the mid to high volume stampings and wire forms. Tens of thousands to millions.
We have lower tonnage, about 40 tons, and we have the high-speed Bruder stamping press, and we can do up to 500 strokes a minute.
Slide forming is a nice compromise for those mid to high volumes. You can get your precision, you can get the higher speeds, but you don't have as much investment in tooling as you do with a progressive die. Slide forming tooling is less expensive than progressive die tooling. Let's talk little. These are some small components that go into electrical assemblies, and some of them go into small engine repairs. These are all custom made. A lot of them are with a customer we've had for over 30 years. This is a wire tying part that goes into a dishwasher basket. We put the ball end on in the machine.
This is one of our newer ones here, used in decking. Goes into a biscuit like this, but we do that particular part at 300 strokes a minute.
So I encourage you to not just buy parts, but discover a partnership our family can provide for your family of products.
Crawford, your total metal parts gurus.